On this episode, we're exploring St. Lucia's beautiful south coast.
Oh, I thought he's a jokester.
Coconut rum.
I'm gonna go home with a nice buzz.
Then we're sailing to a remote anchorage. This is one spot you don't want to miss.
Nice sunglasses. Kind of went boop.
I'm right here. I got you.
Diver in the water. You found them?
Local villages, amazing views, scuba diving, and more. We're about to have a good time.
This is Brittany's first time dinghying by herself.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah. For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We've rented a little car and we're off to explore. The windy roads here lead from village to village and have some amazing sights along the way. St. Lucia surely hasn't disappointed. Let's get started.
Oh, I thought he's a jokester.
And a comedian right there.
Oh my gosh, I had no idea he was awake. What a little jokester.
He's like peeking at you too, probably.
Right? Through his eye. He's funny. You're funny. What do you think of St. Lucia?
It's beautiful here.
Gorgeous, right?
Yeah, I had no idea. So I didn't know anything about the volcanoes over there. That's awesome.
86 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water coming from the bamboo is 115 degrees. Pretty cool.
I'm looking for these little bars, like little stands along the road that we found. I'm gonna try to pull into one. Maybe you can do a little rum tasting. I'll be your DD. Little rum tasting or beer tasting or something. Get some local flavor in you.
Heck yes, I'm down for that. Hi, you little funny guy.
Got a fire.
Do you think that gentleman started it?
I don't know. Well, I've seen a lot of fires around.
Isn't that dangerous?
I don't know why they light them. I don't know why they're lighting them.
Huh.
But look, here's one right here. That was burned right there. Man, that sucks. Bottom of that car might need some work now.
Yeah, you got into the ditch.
Yeah, I saw it the whole time. There was like a really steep ditch right there. If you get pulled into it, you know.
Yeah, that sucks.
But he was okay. I asked him if he wanted me to call anybody. He said no, they're on the way. Alright. He said little fires all over the place. I don't know why. Maybe that's how they're keeping like the grass down. All this stuff's on the south side of Lake St. Lucia. We're in a marina on the north side of St. Lucia, so we have to go down this way. So it's kind of cool to take the car down and see all these little spots like, hey, that would be cool to anchor at. And this is one of those spots. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
In Pirates of the Caribbean, in the very first one, when Jack Sparrow comes across like a natural bridge and there's pirates hanging from it, skeletons. It's somewhere along here. We gotta find that. Since we're movie buffs.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting it.
Alright. Coconut rum. Or is it water? Think I should do the whole thing?
Dude, go down like water.
Okay.
No, just sip it, see how it tastes.
Wow, that's really good.
taste like?
That is really, really good. That's smooth. Like a coconut water almost, with like my throat's a little bit. I can feel a little slight burn, but that's it. It's like coconut water, but a little thicker. It's pretty cool.
How about your?
I like them both. I'm gonna go home with a nice buzz. This is the windward side of the island. I haven't seen a sailboat, and that's probably because it's windy. But that's pretty cool, like the rock formation. Doing a little rum tasting. We went around the windward side of the island today. Found this beautiful little spot. The girl's real nice. It's nice to get in and talk to some locals and get to know them, and I'm enjoying it. We linked back up with Añejo last night.
That's his knot, the Bimini twist.
So while the boys do fishing, we drink. And I think we'll be hopping along again with our little boat buddies. I like them because we really enjoy the same things, the same anchorages, and kind of interested in doing the same things when we get there, so that's pretty cool. First time we've had patrons to our boat.
We were so honored to have our first patron guest aboard Calypso. They happened to be vacationing in St Lucia during our time there. It was great to get to know them.
Brittany, nice to meet you. Come aboard.
We're off. Let's sail the west coast of St Lucia down to Marigot Bay.
Where's the defog? Do you know?
Should be in the door handle.
Door handle, yeah.
It's like a recovery of the Revos. My sunglasses, when we got back, kind of went boop, right in the water. Past the dinghy, into the water, and went at like a slant, so Abel is trying to find them. And he said the visibility's not very good. And it's about 25 feet down, so Jeremiah's gonna put his gear on and go find them. Thank you.
Oh, don't thank me till after. Well, you can thank me for the effort.
Yeah, I appreciate the effort.
No, you can thank me later.
Alright. Abel will be there with him to make sure you're okay.
You want to help me put these on?
It's your dive buddy. Yes, I'll help you. So Abel's free diving, Jeremiah's scuba. Putting a little tank on. He's gonna go down there and look in the area.
All right.
Enjoy your dive, honey.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you for being his dive buddy, Abel. You're right.
We're gonna be scuba diving off the starboard stern today. Bruce Willis, me baby.
Okay, Bruce Willis. Obesity.
Is a little hui all good?
Yes.
Weights.
Wait.
Release.
Okay.
Air. Listen, how much air I got right there?
25.
Okay.
Are you in pre-dive?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, this guy is gonna smash the jet.
Can you give me your sunglasses and you take your mask?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay. You need the mask.
Take my time, Abel. Going down. I've got this drop line here, so if you have a drama, just give it a tug.
Alright, cool. It's nasty, man. I don't like no biz.
You don't have to do it. Don't
I'll
do it
see.
if you don't want
See if I can back up.
I'm right here. I got you. It's so nasty down there. The only way you're going to see him is on the tank.
cold water. I need a flagpole.
Getting a really nice massage off the bubbles. It's quite nice. It's relaxing. It's like a bubble bath.
There you go. You can see him?
Oh.
You can feel him.
I can feel the bubbles.
All right. You found them?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's all right. Thank you for trying.
I did look around, and as soon as like I went like a couple little grids, and as soon as you go by, it becomes all like, you know, the dirt goes everywhere, the mud. So.
Thank you for trying.
Welcome.
Abel, thank you for trying. Good dive, buddy.
That's what you can do.
Yeah.
I know I was at 15 feet, and all of a sudden I see Abel there. He's like, "Hey, how about you go down there?" Yeah.
There you go.
It was fine. I went down to 15 and I kind of hung out. Then I went down to 20, and I kind of came back up to 15, and then I just relaxed a little bit, and then I went back. And it was at 25, I think. And I mean, I stayed down there for a little bit.
Feel good to be down there?
Yeah, I love being down there. I mean, well, I'd rather not be pitch black, but
Yeah. Any fish?
nah, it's dead.
Dead. No wildlife. Beer time. Are you ready for that celebratory beer?
So disappointed. It's so dirty down there.
No. You can still have a beer.
Actually, while I have this on, I'm gonna go look at the fender, the mooring thing.
Oh, good idea.
This is Brittany's first time dinghying by herself, going to the grocery store. She's always been a little intimidated about it, but she's been getting it lately. She's doing a good job. Not really sure where she's going at the moment. There you go. Coming in for a landing. Nice job. I thought for sure she was going to ask for help.
Sometimes while cruising, you wake up and you're in paradise. This was one of those times.
Bella's like, save me!
That wasn't too bad for my
Great.
first time.
Look at this landing.
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that. How was your first dinghy operating experience?
It was liberating. I feel like I can go off and venture the world on my own.
Now when you're mad at me, you can go do something else.
No, that was really cool. Can you believe I've never gone on my own?
I know. Well, now you have.
That's crazy.
Did you like it?
I loved it. That
you
was really cool.
Did you have trouble starting it?
No.
It can be a little tricky sometimes, especially when the motor's cool.
Yeah, I mean, that's something I'm gonna have to practice, but I'll do that with you, so I built confidence.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fun. There was this guy, and he goes, I wish I was that dog, and I was like, oh, ha ha ha. I was carrying her like this, and he's like, so I could be nuzzled in there, and you could carry me like that.
Did he really?
I'm like, oh, ha ha ha. I'm gonna get the trash. Do the trash.
Oh, okay.
You let go of me. I'm not tied off. Oh no.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
That was our first dive off the dinghy.
See you, Reese.
Morning over there on Vimeo. Are you guys ready for a fun morning of scuba diving? Headed to the snack shack. We don't want anybody to take our dinghy. Trying to get through these. Woo!
Is that good?
I'm here to bring them a shot of Fireball. Shotski! Floating little barge right here.
This ring right here is the exclusion zone. Are you on four-wheel drive? Is it that rough? Okay.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.